So it's like an Arga.
It is an Arga, yeah. Very...
Heating's currently off the Arga. There's been some leak up there or something. So.
Yeah.
And then this room here, off the dining room, is what could be a little utility room. There's definitely enough room there, Sam, isn't there, for the distance of the depth of a
You could put
washing
a washer
machine.
and dryer here,
Yeah, definitely.
easily.
There's enough room there. This leads on to the bathroom, downstairs bathroom. So that shower there would come across, have a nice big walk-in shower. Yeah.
You'd have to have your desk in here.
And underneath, that's under the stairs. Yeah. Computer could go up that corner, Sam, couldn't it? Or a little desk of some kind up there, maybe? Or up this side.
Bertha would have to go.
Oh, yeah, or under there, actually. Yeah, we're not going to keep that. So, yeah, we could do something with that, maybe. Into the living room. Lovely old window. I love the windows, you know. Even though they're not double glazed, I love those windows.
Would you fit? Is it literally your sofa would have to go here? Your tea.
Coal fire.
Where would you put the telly?
You have a log burner in there, Sam.
Yeah. Where would you put the telly and the sofas?
Well, your television would go up this corner here, I think, wouldn't it? Because you'd want it away, or this one. I don't know. You got maybe this one because there's no light there. You don't want a light being cast on the screen where that's quite lit up over there.
Our TV wouldn't fit in there. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean, yeah.
Our TV's big.
We've got to have a TV on the wall?
No.
I hate TVs on the wall.
No, I don't want it on the wall.
What, would we reverse it then, do you think? So we'd have a TV over this side?
I don't know. But then, where would you put the sofa?
Don't know, because you've got your back to the fire, haven't you? So this is the front door and the hallway, window here. Now look at that. I love this.
Yeah, I do like this.
This is really characterful, isn't it? I love this space. You wouldn't want to touch this at all. You wouldn't want to touch that at all, would you?
It'd be nice if it was them red bricks in here and then this all sanded back.
And upstairs. So this is a weird one because you've got these two little cupboards here, haven't you? And I thought on the plans that these two little cupboards we could box off and open them out into the other rooms, but you can't because inside these cupboards the ceiling, the roof comes down, so they are going to have to remain as cupboards, which is a shame, but it is a bit of character. I love these stairs. I think that's really characterful. Then going into the main bedroom. Absolutely love this window. Look at this window. It's like a little bay. This is the one that's got supports underneath it on the outside, like wooden supports. Really nice. Love it. And then this room's got a fireplace in it and a little alcove there. Really high ceilings. Nice. and then going to go into the little room.
Definitely not an upstairs toilet, this.
Into the little room. There's broken window there. I like these windows. They are nice. You'd want to try and keep them. I know they're not double glazed, but maybe you'd want to, maybe secondary glazing, or if you did, I don't know, I'd want to keep them. So this room is okay. It's certainly big enough for a little spare room. Loft hatch. What was in there, Sam? Was that the water tank or something?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Can't.
Can't open it.
Oh,
See it in there?
yeah. You have to.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go.
It's like an airing cupboard.
Copper boiler tank. Okay. Cool. So there we go. Nice place.